So guys, update on the Tesla. I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna do this as a single video or a series or what we're gonna do with this thing, but one set of wheels are in. Now, we have an amazing set of 22-inch black diamond, amazing wheels. It's not the wheels I was hoping for though. So we had a little snafu. Here's the awesome thing. Black Diamond came through well above and beyond and took care of everything. So they actually sent me out a part-time replacement set of wheels. So we're gonna throw these on the X, find out how they look, and rock them for a little while, and then soon enough, well, they'll be up for sale. So if you're driving a Tesla Model X here in Central Florida, you want basically new 22-inch wheels and tires, hit up the Empire. Stick around, let's take a look and see what they look like on the X.